So welcome again. So this is the last video of tutorial 6. This is actually related to the CNC lathe operation. So here you can see this is our workpiece. So this is tutorial 6. Okay. Double click on this tutorial 6 complete. And here you can see under the browser tab, these are the different strategies: facing strategy, profile strategy, grooving strategy, thread strategy, and part strategy. So if you want to, you can add various strategies from here. 2D, here you can see the different strategies: 2D strategy, 3D strategy, drilling strategy, etc. So with the help of this, you can add different strategies. So if you want to edit any one strategy, just right click on this and you can edit this. Okay, so in this way you can edit the strategies. Or if you want to edit the tool, right click here and edit tool. You can edit the tool also. So that is the method. So I will go to actions, then generate the tool path. Then I will go to actions, simulate, click the play button. So this is the facing strategy. Once again, go to actions, generate. So go to actions, then simulate. So this is the facing strategy. Then profile. Yeah, then next is the grooving strategy, and then threading, and finally the parting operation. Yeah, it's completed. Then I will go to actions, then post process, FANU controller, post, save. Yeah, here you can see this G codes. Okay, so this is the code, and I will share this, then setup sheet. Finally, I will generate the setup sheet. Yeah, this is the setup sheet. Total number of operations 5 and tools 3. So tool T1 general turning, then tool number 2 groove turning, and you can see the insert details also. Then tool number 3 thread turning. Then the various operations are facing strategy, profile strategy, grooving strategy, thread strategy, and finally parting strategy. So in this way you can generate the code for CNC lathe machine. So that is tutorial 6. So tutorial 6 is related to the CNC lathe machine. Okay, just go to this tutorial 6 complete, then go to just check what are the different strategies using, then go to actions, generate, simulate, post process, and setup sheet. Okay, so thank you.